Right now, meteorologist Violet Skyber is in all smiles today, right?
Yeah, it's gorgeous outside. It feels like summer,
Yes.
but it's the last day of it. I'm sorry.
Oh, all right, lay it on us. Lay it on us.
I mean, the good news, though, is this was our first 80-degree day. We officially hit 80 this afternoon. And if you're wondering if this is earlier or later than we normally see it, well, on average, our first 80-degree day is on April 30th or around that date. The earliest 80-degree day we've ever seen was actually in March 14th, all the way back in 1990. Latest 80-degree day back in June 27th. That's how long we had to wait for some warmth in the year of 1916. Well, it's been 217 days since the last time we had an 80-degree day back in September 20th. And hopefully we see some more of them, but we are going to see cooler temperatures on the way, sadly. So what's next? Some showers and storms are on the way for later tonight. That's a weather maker that we're watching for you. Also, some cooler conditions arrive as we go towards midweek. Then looking ahead to next weekend, we get a nice dry stretch of some quiet weather and some pleasant temperatures as well as we slowly get back to normal, which is in the 50s to around 60 degrees for this time of year. A live look from our triple Doppler radar, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. Dry over Syracuse. If you wanted to head out this evening, all you need is a pair of sunglasses. You can get away with wearing those shorts and t-shirts with temperatures in the 70s through the evening hours. Now looking ahead to tonight, we are watching something else. A line of some showers and storms working its way in from the west, and it does have the potential to produce some severe weather, especially across the Finger Lakes and to the west of Syracuse. This line, as it continues to move east, is going to fall apart and become weaker by the time it reaches Syracuse or points east of Syracuse. But notice there's already a severe thunderstorm warning down by Jamestown, and that's for some high wind gusts. So this line is going to produce some heavy rain, but also it could have the potential to produce some pretty strong wind gusts. Again, not until later on, about 9 or 10 p.m. tonight and continuing into the overnight hours. The reason why we're going to see these stormy conditions is as a cold front heads in from the west. And again, that arrives tonight, and with some much cooler temperatures on the back end of it. Those cooler temperatures arrive through tomorrow, but especially looking ahead towards midweek, Wednesday and Thursday, highs will only be in the 40s. Now again, with that line I was talking about, there is a marginal risk for some severe weather this evening and tonight out to the west. Again, not in Syracuse and especially not for points east of Syracuse, as that line is going to fall apart as it reaches us. So let's time it out for you. Right now, just a mix of sun and clouds. Temperature is nice and mild in the 70s, and then we cool down through the 60s as we go towards 10 p.m. tonight. That line arrives in Syracuse around 9-10 p.m., but again, it's moving in from the west, so we'll reach the Finger Lakes and the shoreline of Lake Ontario first, becoming a steadier rain as we head in the overnight hours and early tomorrow morning. But that steady rain tapers off through the early morning with mostly cloudy skies tomorrow and just maybe some spotty sprinkles by midday and afternoon. It'll also be much cooler with highs only in the 50s. How much rain we can get? There is the potential across the Finger Lakes to see some flooding to the west of Penn Yan, but again, not in Syracuse. As we check out your 7-day forecast, cooler weather is on the way. 55 tomorrow with a few spotty sprinkles. 40s on Wednesday with scattered rain and snow showers on and off through the day. And then drying out as we look towards the end of the week. 40s still on Thursday, back into the 50s for the weekend. Plenty of sun looking towards the weekend and for that mountain goat run, which is on Sunday. Michael?